what is a listing website? It is an online platform where real estate properties are displayed. And it is a digital marketplace where real estate professionals can showcase properties to a wider audience 24/7. So why is it important for real estate brokers? Number one, wider reach. The wider reach is a listing website allows us to reach a larger audience beyond their local area, increasing chances of finding the right buyer or tenant quickly. Instead of relying on traditional methods like flyers or newspaper ads, the most popular way is to use the power of the internet to connect with clients across the country or even internationally. Ito po yung gigising ka na lang, meron kang inquiry from other countries or pagtingin mo sa insights mo, makikita mo na may ibang mga nakakita na mga properties na binebenta mo. Okay? Doon tayo sa second, efficiency and convenience. Yung efficiency and convenience, we can manage multiple property listings in one place, making it easier to update information and add new properties or remove sold ones. Okay, so eto na tayo. All these key benefits, we are offering it for free dito sa rebap.com.ph. It's cost-effective, it's increasing visibility, or at least it will help increase visibility. It will help us generate leads. It's a global reach, and the brand awareness is so far perfect. All right, so with that, may I give the credit to the 2020 National Board of Officers and Trustees for creating this rebap.com.ph. This was headed then by the then MIS, who is now our National President, Roy Marchidoro. So thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat for making sure that we have a listing website. So all you have to do is to go to the website and click login. Tapos doon sa login po ilalagay nyo yung email nyo or yung PRC number. If ever po ang PRC digits, you will have to put 00 kasi it has 7 digits. So for example, mine is 21912. So I will be putting 00 21912. Tapos, yung password po natin, syempre, kung matagal na po natin hindi chinecheck to, nakalimutan na natin, di ba? Doon natin pipindutin yung forgot password sa reset password. Dito naman, pagka clinic natin itong reset password, we just need to put in our PRC number. Again, if your PRC number is 5 digits, put 2 zeros in front of it. And then pag 4 digits siya, so on and so forth, puts 3 zeros. As long as it's 7 digits and it starts with 0. All right. Okay. So, pagpasok nyo po doon, right away po, pagka naglagay kayo ng PRC number nyo, you will have to check your email address kasi naandun po yung inyong temporary password ibibigay sa inyo. Tapos, login din po kayo ulit. Lalagay nyo ulit yung PRC number and then the temporary passcode. Pagpasok nyo po dyan, makikita nyo yung inyong dashboard. Dito po sa dashboard natin, on the left is some details about us. Kung ito pong picture dito sa left, you have the option to upload your own photos there. Just make sure that it is not, the size of the photo is not too big. Nasa 2 MB lang po yung capacity ng ating website. Okay? So dito po sa akin, sa dashboard ko, nasa taas, left is my name, sa baba yung email address ko, my navigation, dashboard, property listings, and broker profile. Dito po sa mga right, yung may mga houses, makikita mo dito yung insights. Meaning kung ilan po yung nag-post na total sa ating website, ang available is 2,268, ang nabenta na is 10, and then meron pang additional na 4 na sold na. Alright, tapos dito po sa dashboard, ito yung dalawang items, property listings and then the broker profile. Dito po sa property listings na to, dito na nakalagay yung details po ng property na nilist nyo. Okay, kung for sale siya, kung anong status niya, kung available yung floor and lot area. Tapos dito naman po sa broker profile area, if you click the broker profile area, ang nakalagay dito yung iyong PRC number, yung license renewal nyo po, ilalagay nyo po dyan. Tapos, yung name, last name, and then yung date of birth, tapos email address. Basically po, yung mga na-click na natin, na-activate na natin yung mga dashboard sa system who are here right now with us, nakalagay na po yung basic details nyo dyan. Ang kailangan nyo lang po i-edit yung license renewal. Okay po? Tapos pwede po kayo magdagdag ng website, ng business name, ng business address. Tapos sa baba pong area, may mga additional na pwede nyong ilagay. Yung Facebook URL, yung LinkedIn, tapos yung Twitter, kung meron din po kayong Twitter na pang business page po. Tapos makikita niyo dyan. Pagka nakalimutan niyo yung password niyo, nakalagay naman dyan. So, tapos i-copy paste niyo na lang and put it somewhere else for you to be able to not keep resetting the password every now and then na papasok kayo. So may dito po sa profile picture, pwede pong i-drag and drop na lang po ito. Okay? Ay, sorry po. Focus, sa baba naman po, focus location, kung ano yung mga top 3 locations po ng mga listings na binibenta nyo po, no? Tapos dito sa right, sa middle part, there are options if you want your details publicly seen or not. Ang details po na magiging seen dito are yung mobile number mo and then yung email address mo. Okay? So those are editable naman. Okay? So far, that's it. Right now, 4 pa lang po yung napapasok ko, but it's unlimited naman po yung pwede nyong ipasok dito. Ang maganda dito, kung, di ba po, if you compare it with that of the marketplace, yung free ng Facebook na marketplace, parang lalabas na hindi siya ganun ka-concise, hindi siya sabog-sabog. It doesn't give us this type of in-table format. And so this is a very good alternative for us to, and also a very powerful, kasi po mas powerful na nasa website po ang ating mga listing than in Facebook as far as I can attest. All right? Sandali po ha. Pasok tayo doon mismo sa ating website, vbac.com.ph. PRC number ko 00219112. Password is, hold on ha. I-copy paste ko lang somewhere else. Yan. Tapos sign in. Ito na po lalabas. Okay? So dito po tayo sa ating pag click mo po yung inyong photo dyan, pag naka-upload ka na ng photo mo na lang, makikita mo na agad dito sa left. So once click mo yan, lalabas po yung inyong profile. Again, ang change na po dito, ito, license renewal, mobile number, email address, and then ito pa pong sa baba. Ito pong PRC number, hindi nyo po ito change kasi sa system na po ito. If ever, siyempre, there is no way for us to change our PRC numbers unless you're using other professions, di ba po? So that is why part of our database collection is for each member to send us their PRC number and their license renewal or license validity. Kasi po ini-input po natin siya sa system sa ating website. Okay po? So ayun, andito yung URLs mo ng ibang social media, yung business address mo po, tapos yung business name nyo. Alright? So it's either you can show it or you prefer that it be discreet. Okay? Tapos dito naman po sa property listing, let us try to add additional. So dito po sa property code, kayo po ang maglalagay nito. For instance, add property. Property code, Makati Residential. Makati RSD, for instance. And it is available. Transaction is for sale, for instance. Tapos itong property highlight image, ito po yung lalabas sa taas ng property. So, hanap po tayo. Ang property, highlighted property natin, I would recommend na gawa po kayo ng inyong sariling poster. Personalized po na may pangalan nyo at may picture nyo para syempre the more that your face is there, the more that they're not gonna. It's more for branding. So gumawa na po ako kanina. Via Canva ko lang po ginagawa lahat ng aking mga posters. So yung yan. So lalabas na parang yan ang pinaka-highlight image natin. Tapos for property galleries naman, let's try to upload the other. We just need to be a little patient with the loading ng ating properties ng website because number one, it's free. So of course, we can just be grateful that we are having this additional benefit from Rebap. Sure na, i-convert natin into a smaller, ito, yan, into a smaller photo or size ang ating ina-upload na images. Otherwise, it's not gonna push through. Alright? So, lalabas, supposedly lumabas na siya dito. Isa-isa lang po siya, hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-drag lahat. 8 images only. So, price, for instance, this one is a condominium na corner unit. It's selling at 11 million and it's a condo, residential condo. So, we'll click in residential condo, walang lot area, 115 square meter, 3 bathroom, 2 beds, 1 parking slot, and wala pa siyang YouTube. Ayan. So, sa province niya is NCR, Makati, and yung address po, ilalagay niyo po mismo Poblacion, Makati. Ayan. Hahanap naman siya dito after all. Okay. So, barangay, poblasyon, subdivision, street. So, ito po. Optional naman po yan lahat. Tapos, description. Okay? So, submit. Property listing has been successfully added. So, asa na si 11 million? Ayun. Naandyan na siya. Makikita niyo na siya dyan. So, when you view it, kung ano lang yung in-input mo nyo, yun lang po yung papasok dyan. Property description, amenities, vicinity map, ayun. Automatic siya mag-vicinity map eh. So, you really have to put in the complete details of the property para na makikita na siya sa vicinity map. Ang maganda din dito sa ating website, when you click on the property itself, may amortization calculator siya. May cash or bank financing. For instance, bank financing tayo ng 3 million. Down payment tayo ng 3 million. Tapos, loan 270, for instance, in months. Interest tayo ng 6.5. 6 lang. Walang point. Tapos calculate. Ayun, lalabas na dyan. This is very useful for our clients or yung mga passers-by lang sa ating website na ginigauge lang magkano ba yung magiging monthly amortization ko. Yun yung top na questions ng ating mga clients, di ba ho? So your total estimated monthly amortization excluding bank charges is 40,000 amount projected. So estimated lang po siya. Ito, it is nice na nakalagay na dito yung inyong photo na in-upload. Alright? Tapos yung floor area, parking, ilang bath, tapos yung inyong details. Pagka nag-click ang client ng Inquire Now, dediretso po ito sa email address nyo. It's not gonna go to us. It's not gonna go to Rebap National. It's gonna go directly to you. And we're not gonna handle or we're not even gonna see the details or the data that is incoming na galing po sa inyong pages. Okay, so data secrecy po tayo dito. Alright, click nga natin itong ayan, open FaceTime. So automatic siyang nagpapaklik ng FaceTime. Depende po kung siguro kung iba ang hawak yung laptop or sa phone kayo, dediretso po ata siya sa ibang applications. So, ito po, pagka-clinic yung inyong profile mismo, dito lalabas yung lahat ng mga details na pinasok niyo po doon sa dashboard niyo po, no? And then it's a good thing that there's always have this call to action na who are you, what's your email address, contact number, and best time to call you. Yun. Again, pagka nagpunta siya dito sa contact me, it's automatic. It's gonna give you an email that you have an inquiry from rebap.com.ph. Diba? Masaya? Okay? So, other options here. Meet a broker. Pasok natin dito. Focus City, for example, ayun, pumasok na yung ibang mga brokers po natin dito. Ayan, Sir Marlu, Press Lisa, Press Roy. Ayan. So, naandito na po lahat yung mga ating mga brokers na active na. Okay? Brokers chapters, andito na rin po kung maghahanap sila, tapos PRC license. Focus, for instance, Caraga, ayan. As far as Caraga, meron po tayo. Kung pumasok yung ating Caraga. Wala pa siya for now. Okay? So, the mere point of this one, this itself will already be helpful for us po. Like, for instance, tayo may client tayo who wants to sell their property somewhere else na for instance, sa Cebu, and we are just looking for someone who's from there. Ayun, lumabas si Press Mike ng Caraga. From Cebu, for instance, sa Cebu City, tapos i-search lang po natin siya. Matagal lang po mag-upload. It's supposed to come out here kung sino po yung mga active natin na brokers from Cebu. Okay. Search. Ayan. Dumating na. Ayan. Si Ma'am Mary Lou, si Press Jason, yun si VP Wilgen. Ayan. So, what will be very helpful if malagyan po natin ng mga photos natin ang ating mga dashboards para po pagka minamarket natin itong website or naghahanap tayo, we know exactly what we're looking for and mas updated siya, di ba po? Okay? So for that's it. So stop share na.